Welcome to My Dream Academy, Dilshuk Nagar, Hyderabad. I am Vidyasagar, Maths faculty. If you ask the value of 1 plus tan 32, 1 plus tan 13 by 1 plus tan 12, 1 plus tan 33. This type of problems asked in the E set only. In the numerator, just you observe, within seconds we can write the answer. 32 plus 13, 45. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B, 2 by 12 plus 33, 45. 1 plus tan A, 1 plus tan B, 2. What is the answer? 1. Okay. Now we'll see one more problem. 1 plus tan 125 into 1 plus tan 100. This is also similar model. 125 plus 100, 225. Even this shortcut is applicable for if A plus B is equal to 45 or 225. Same formula. 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. This is also answer 2. Okay. Now we'll see one more model which you can solve in seconds. You have to save your time in the exam. Tan 20 plus tan 25 plus tan 20 into tan 25 is equal to. Now observe here, we don't know the value of 20 and 25, but we can write 20 plus 25 is equal to 45. Tan apply, tan 20 plus 25 is equal to tan 45. See guys, this is the method. Apply A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B is equal to tan 45 1. Cross multiplication, tan 22 tan 25 is equal to 1 minus tan 20 into tan 25. Bring this side, tan 20 plus tan 25 minus plus tan 20 tan 25 is equal to 1. If you use this method, it will take minimum 1 to 1.5 minutes. Okay. Instead of that, see, I will give you one simple method, shortcut for this. Whenever the problem is in the form of tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B. If you ask what is the value, here some constant which is the coefficient of this tan A tan B, plus it must be plus. What is the value is here? That is your answer. Okay. Here the coefficient is 1 is the answer. Okay. Just to see what is the coefficient of tan A tan B. Why? Because the model is this: tan A plus tan B plus tan of A plus B into tan A tan B is equal to formula tan of A plus B. What is here tan of A plus B? 20 plus 25, 45. Tan 45, 1. Suppose if it is minus, tan A minus tan B minus of tan A minus B into tan A tan B is equal to tan of A minus B. Okay. Now see here. You take one more problem in this model. Tan 70 minus tan 10 plus root 3 into minus root 3 into tan 70 tan 10. Tan A minus tan B minus, suppose here minus is there, leave this minus, remaining is the answer. What is the answer? Root 3. Or simply tan of A minus B, 70 minus 10. What is this? Tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3. This is the method you can apply. Okay. This is the shortcut. You can solve this type of problems within maximum 5 seconds, not more than that. See one more. Cos 20 plus cos 100 plus cos 140. The value of cos 20, cos 100, cos 140. See this type of problems. We don't know the value of 20. We don't know cos 20 value. We don't know cos 100. We don't know cos 140. But I can write these two in the form of 20s. Cos 20 plus cos, I can write this as 120 minus 20 plus cos 120 plus 20. See this. Now here I can apply cos of A minus B formula, cos of A plus B formula, or simply cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B, which is the 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B by applying the compound angle formulas. Therefore this is cos 20 plus 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A is 120, cos B 20. Cos 20 plus 2 cos 120. Cos 120 is 180 minus 20, 180 cos 120 minus theta. 120, 180 minus 60. Second quadrant cos is negative minus cos 60. Cos 20. Cos 20 plus minus 2 into cos 60, 1 by 2 cos 20. 1 by 2 gets cancelled, cos 20 minus cos 20, which is 0. This is actual method. Even here you have to remember, first you have to get idea. 100, 140 you have to write in terms of 120 degrees. 20. So after that cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B formulas you have to use and simplify, you will get the result. But here, whenever, see here, I will give you very important shortcut for all these type of problems. The problem may be in terms of sine or cos. Remember this point. The problem is in terms of sine or cos. The angles must be algebraic sum. Algebraic sum means plus minus minus plus, both are plus, both are minus, like that. According to the standards he will give. If the angles are in the form of theta, 60 minus theta, 60 plus theta. Theta 120 minus theta, 120 plus theta. Theta 240 minus theta, 240 plus theta. Theta 300 minus theta, 300 plus theta. If three angles are in the form of this set, any one of this set, maybe in terms of 60s or 120s, 240s or 300, then answer will become 0 only. For all, for sine or cos, in this type of problems, no need to solve anything. Just observe the given angles. That may be sine or cos. Sine or cos. Just you see whether the given angles, this is 20, that is theta. This 100 is 120 minus theta. 120 minus 20. This is 120 minus theta. This is 120 plus 20. This is in the form of 120 plus theta. Which set it is? This one. Theta 120 minus theta 120 plus theta, sum of the sine or cos given in the form of this, then the value is 0. For example, if it is, see, sine 110 minus sine 100, maybe plus or minus according to the standard, but only you observe 10, 120 minus 10, 120 plus 10. What is the answer? 0. Suppose, see one more method. Cos square 10, cos square 110 plus cos square 130. Angles are same. This angle is theta. This is 120 minus theta. 120 plus theta. Theta is 10 degrees. This is 10. 120 minus 10, 120 plus 10. But in the previous what I told, 0 if square is not there. If square is there, for all those the value is 3 by 2. Just you can write the answer is 3 by 2. By seeing that only, without squares 0, with square the value is 3 by 2. Even for sine also. Now see one more. If tan A is equal to 1 by 2, tan B is equal to 1 by 3, then what is the angle A plus B? Angle A plus B is asking. Now we know tan A, tan B. Students will do like this. Tan of A plus B. What is the formula? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A 1 by 2. Tan B 1 by 3. My 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. On simplification, what is the LCM here? 6. 3 plus 2. Denominator also 6 LCM. 6 into 1 minus 1 into 1. 6 cancel. Tan of A plus B is equal to 5 by 5, which is 1. Tan, when you will get 1 in the tan? 45 degrees. A plus B is equal to 45 or pi by 4. Here also we can apply some shortcut. Whenever, if the given tan, if one value is 1 by 2, see here, all of you see 1 by 2, this one is 2 minus 1, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, that is minus plus. Whenever if the two numbers are in the form of that, then always A plus B is equal to 45. For all numbers, you will get like that only. See, tan A 2 by 3, tan B 1 by 5. Just you think properly. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. Then immediately you can write A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Suppose if you ask tan of A plus B, then what is the value? 1. Tan of A plus B is 1. Okay. Suppose if tan A is equal to 3 by 2, tan B is equal to 1 by 5, then what is A minus B is asking. Now observe the numbers like this. Now reverse. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 plus 2, 5. then this is also pi by 4, a minus b. For that you must remember these two formulas. Tan a m by n, tan b n minus m by n plus m, n minus m by n plus m, then a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Suppose tan a is equal to m by n, if tan b is equal to m minus n by m plus n, then a minus b is equal to pi by 4. A minus b is equal to pi by 4. These two are important shortcuts in the trigonometry. Okay.